Hello guys, it's me, MEKVIA ICE. And how you guys doing? It's a really long time I haven't not doing my makeup tutorial with you guys. I really miss you guys so much. But this time, it's the time to put it up, you know? I'm gonna be staying doing YouTube, be vlogging with you guys too. I'm gonna be start doing more with the YouTube, from now on. Well, today is the February the 8th, the 2022. Thank God for another year. I'm so excited. Yes. God, do not forget, I'm doing sign language for the deaf people, and I'm using my voice for hearing people so they can understand me. So, if you want to clarify what I'm saying, there's always the button in the bottom of this video. It's like a setting. You will go down. You will, give you an option to understand what I'm saying. Guys, I will be doing the 2022 look. Yeah, this is gonna be totally different. I'm gonna be doing like a flashback from probably to say 2017, maybe 2017 on the 2018 when I did a veil lipstick. But this time it's gonna be different. I'm so excited. So, guys, I'm going ahead and get started. But first, do not forget to subscribe the button and enjoy watching. Yeah. So I'm gonna do my eyebrows again, okay? So now I'm finished with both of my eyebrows. And so now I'm going ahead to use like a bright color, like white mixed with your regular concealer. So I got the Pro Concealer, guys. You see? Pro Concealer. And then, also, I have a I don't know if you can see it, guys. A Pro Concealer right here. This is just for my face on the bumps. So you can't actually see. This is the best one, guys. I suggest you to buy this from the store. I normally bought these two from CVS. CVS is my favorite store of all. I'm sorry. I love CVS better than the other makeup stores. I don't know why, but that's just me. Save money. Coupons are cheap. Lord, yes. So I'm going ahead and mix with. Where's my other? Pro Concealer, if you guys can see it. See? Pro Concealer, but it's almost empty, so I got more. So I'm gonna mix with these brown ones and the white one mix and make these part a little bit brighter. Just not for the bright pops, So I'm gonna go ahead and use this. I'm gonna spray. Oh, perfect. And then I'm gonna use this part. You guys can see it. I'm gonna use this. And I'm gonna mix the white. Make it a little bit brighter. Then I'm going ahead. It's actually bright. That's supposed to be. So guys, this is one of the best concealer of ever. One of the most that I've been using so far. Oh god, this is one of the goodest one. Yes, I'm sure I love it. And so now I'm gonna have to use the brush it and kind of pat it and blend it in. Oh. Oh. Wow. Oh, this is kind of like patting me a little bit on my fingers. And with the other side of my eye too. It feels so comfortable, but at the same time, it feels something else. And I'm like, oh, it's okay. So it's kind of feeling okay. Oh, yeah. I'm so surprised that Kylie Jenner's actually having a baby. I can't stop thinking about that all freaking day. I've been thinking about Kylie Jenner's baby ever since last night because I heard that she having finished. I was like, oh, yes, thank God. But Trevor, no. And Rihanna's pregnant too? Imagine. Co-parent time. I say co-parent time. I feel you. Okay. So, let's go ahead and go. Now I'm going to have to do it this side. Then I'll be showing the final look, okay? Ooh, and then the last part will be doing the veil lipstick. Be right back. Ta-da! So, the natural in my hair. And also, this is what's the best looking so far. And I'm so in love with it. So now I'm going ahead and start doing a finish spray. Yes. So I'm going ahead and just shaking it up. Oh yes. It feels so good. So, yes. So, guys, that I've been using this lips is called L'Oreal Paris. If you ask to see, but there's something that costs something on it. So. And then this is shade. And it's, I mean, see, I can see it. 402. So the shade is 402. And that's how my lips be. And then the outline is black. And this was called Wet and Wild. And the shade is Baby Got Black. Okay. So, guys, this is the best look. I'll be using Rihanna's foundation. Y'all can see Rihanna's. So I've been using Rihanna's foundation, and it came out looking good. I'm so in love with it. And so my eyes will actually be broken out with these eyelashes and everything. So, like, do we got a problem? Because you don't want to have a problem. I'm just saying. And so, I'm trying to flip my hair and go up a little more. Look at the savage. I'm a savage. Classy. Booty. Not ratchet. No. So, yeah. Amen. So I flip my hair to the back and put my shirt down a little bit. Oh, it's just for the pictures. But so guys, thank you guys for watching. This is amazing. And I told you that I'd be back. So, thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it for you guys to watch. This is amazing, but it really take me like, what is that, like 2 hours to do the full face. And sometime of those, I was going out, get some drinks, whatever, came back in, and just kind of relax it out, you know. Yeah, so yeah, baby, we don't want a problem. Oh, I thought so. Anyway, yeah, I'm back. So, guys, thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate for you to watch. Make sure you don't forget to subscribe below and give me some good thumb up. I don't care how many like it goes. I don't care. It doesn't really bother me. You feel me? So, yes, guys, keep on watching. The next video will be on Thursday. Stay on tune, babies. See ya. Bye, babies.